You roll down your windows to breathe this fresh mountain oxygen. The perfection of this day is so soothing and relaxing. Cone-bearing trees are lining the highways, as if they are the paintbrushes of Earth painting the blue sky above. The mountains are drawing near as you ride along the highway. They slowly soar into the sky. They seem to grow endlessly, and you wonder, how more massive can they get? You can make out their jagged surface and how the snow is collected in the gaps of the ridges. The sun, reflecting off the snow, is as white as milk. And the places shrouded in shadows glow with a light turquoise. It seems like no life grows on these mountains after a certain altitude, and you can see why. The air gets thin at the height of these amazing formations. The weather is harsh way up there. Zoning out on the beauty of this day, you hear your GPS remind you that your turn is coming up. You feel a rise of relaxation in you because you are ready for a rest after the long road trip. The road is long and winding. The forests that you are passing through are immaculate. You are surrounded by millions of trees, constantly producing oxygen. Your windows are still down, and you can smell the dampness of the woods. Handling the curves with ease, this drive is so relaxing. You can see the sun rays cutting through the trees as you travel along. Happy that you have a watchful eye on the road, you notice a family of elk is crossing ahead. Slowing down to a complete stop, you watch as this family does not fear you at all. There is a magnificent buck with long antlers atop his head. His fur is marked in a way that you know he must be one of the most beautiful of his kind. The mother elk is delicately built.